Yeah, I'm in the middle of the process of extending my room for the tomato plant. This bench is looking kind of empty right now, and it's a good thing because I don't have proper lighting here. Here's the new part. It's a big mirror. It's hard to show you the whole gist of it, but here is my access road kind of to the plants. So I'm gonna skip this shelf. That wasn't a good idea. So yeah, and so these guys doesn't get too thin and like reaching for the light anymore. I'm gonna start using another lamp. Here is the lamp I'm gonna modify somewhat. This is meant for a much more powerful bulb, but right now I'm just using a 120 watts low energy bulb. And here is the little thing. It hasn't been in use for a couple of years, so yeah. I'll show you the results in a sec. Ooh, results. Damn, it turned out good. That's the 120 watt low energy bulb. And this mirror turned out really good. The tomato plants gets lighting from both directions, and I've also put some foil here, a foil wall. So this should work out good. I really hope it does. I haven't taken down the shelf yet, but this guy is coming down. That was a bad idea. These guys are up here, growing pretty slowly, I think, but they are coming. And these guys are down here at the shelf, are also coming pretty slowly, but they're coming. Here I did something interesting, I think. Oh well, I cut it in half and then I planted the top part in the earth. I know this works. And same with this guy and this guy and this guy. So the thought is that this guy is gonna become two stems, because this is the main stem. It's gonna come a new one from there and there, this leaf, and this is gonna continue being a top. So this is 3 extra in each pot. It's a test. I know it's gonna take much more time for it to become like big enough to get tomatoes, but that's okay. That's why I have these guys, so I get some yield in time for sale. Alright, have a good day. Bye bye.